Computer Hacking Forensic Investigator course will give you the necessary skills to perform an effective digital forensics investigation. CHFI presents a methodological approach to computer forensics, including the acquisition, preservation, and analysis and reporting of digital evidence. It's a comprehensive course covering major forensic investigation scenarios that enables students to acquire necessary hands-on experience in various techniques with standard forensics tools to successfully carry out a computer forensic investigation. You will learn computer forensics fundamentals, various phases involved in the computer forensics investigation process, different types of disk drives and file systems, volatile and non-volatile data acquisition in Windows, Linux, and Mac-based operating systems, network forensics fundamentals and readiness, web application forensics and challenges, Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure investigation processes, email crime investigation, static and dynamic analysis of malware, different types of IoT threats, IoT forensic processes and challenges. Data breaches and cyber crimes occur every day, and the need for qualified forensic investigators is on the rise. Sign up today for CHFI and get started on your path to becoming a certified computer hacking forensic investigator.